Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my new video. In this video I am practicing English. I am create 3 minutes video for practicing English. I am trying to my best with enhance and improve my English. It's that the causes of my working and my confidently and enhancing this uh, in this courses I am practicing English with video. Few minutes I am create a video with 30 days 30 days challenge, and I am 30 day all the day every day I am create video of the 3 minutes, and I am post this video with Facebook is a in chef, and I am all sites, and I am going to all place, and I am talk about English. I am fluently, and I am try to my best. These 3 minutes I am talk to as a native speaker, and I am forget my in 3 minutes I am forget my main language of mother tongue. It is Bangla our my fathers, mothers, and neighbors always speak Bengali, and I am try to my best to improve my English skills, speaking, listening, and others. In these courses, I am try to my best with speaking in this video, and I am try to all about sources and all about causes in the first time and first video. It is called day one, and I am try to my best, and I am try to basic structure, learn everything, learn basic structure and basic grammar, and I'm reading class 11, but I'm not able to speak English, but I'm try. Kim, but my fluency is not good, but my English is not good. I am beginner, but I'm always try to improve my so try and try. I'm